optimizing supply chains with AI. Supply chains are the backbone of any manufacturing operation, and just like a backbone, they need to be strong and flexible. AI is helping businesses optimize their supply chains in ways we could only dream of before. AI algorithms can analyze mountains of data to predict demand, optimize inventory levels, and streamline logistics. They can even factor in things like weather patterns and traffic conditions to ensure timely deliveries. The result? Lower transportation costs, reduced waste, and a more agile and responsive supply chain that can adapt to changing market demands.
Section 5. Enhancing safety and security in smart factories. Safety is paramount in any factory setting. AI is playing an increasingly important role in creating safer working environments for everyone. AI-powered surveillance systems can detect unsafe behavior in real time, sending alerts to prevent accidents before they happen. AI can also be used to monitor environmental conditions, such as air quality and temperature, to ensure a healthy and comfortable workspace. On the security front, AI can help prevent unauthorized access to sensitive areas and protect valuable data from cyber threats.
Section 6. Challenges and future trends in smart factories. The future of industrial automation is bright, but there are still challenges to overcome. Implementing AI and edge computing requires specialized hardware and software, which can be expensive. There are also concerns about data security and privacy that need to be addressed. However, the potential benefits far outweigh the challenges. In the future, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI applications in manufacturing, such as self-learning robots and fully autonomous factories. One thing is clear: AI and edge computing are transforming the manufacturing landscape as we know it. By embracing these technologies, businesses can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and safety. The future of manufacturing is smart, and it's closer than you think.